Nathan, you have got some sanding to do.
That's a new kit.
Look at you, new toys. What the heck is that?
Pretty exciting, something I picked up online for 50 bucks. It's actually targeted more for guys who do automotive body work.
Oh, so these are profiles for like sanding blocks?
Exactly, 20 different profiles, and you get a grip with it. You can put hook and loop sandpaper on it, but it's going to be great for sanding crown molding or intricate profiles.
All right, so that one doesn't quite fit in there, but with 20 of them, you're going to find something that fits in there.
Exactly, concave, convex, it makes it easy to hand sand.
Well, that is a perfect fit in there, right?
Yeah, it's going to give nice even pressure when you're sanding.
That is great. All right, so I love it, but why not just, take a piece of sandpaper, fold it up, and a little bit of that?
Well, when you hand sand, you really can't deliver that equal pressure along the whole way. You're going to kind of hit some high points and roll over some edges, so it's nice to have the right profile. I always carry this little flat one with me, and it's great. You can see when I push it, I can get a lot of leverage on it and get a nice even sand. If I try to fold this over in my hand and do it, I'm just going to get just a pressure point right down the middle.
So you're going to get some uneven sanding right there. And
Exactly.
certainly that's going to be exacerbated when you're trying to get into a profile like this. And then this guy, well, that's going to hit that perfectly as well.
Yeah, it's a nice kit, so I'm excited to bring it to the job site. And
So
fine-tune.
what's the deal? You've got different profiles and a handle that they attach to?
Exactly, yeah. So I can pop this one out, cut some hook and loop, apply it to the back,
Yep.
snap it in, go to work.
So I guess the final question is, does Tommy know you have it? Because if he doesn't, you better hold on to it and hide it from him.
I'll keep it close.
All right, man, thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.